three-member team of Manipur Commission for Protection of Child Rights (MCPCR), who are in Ziribam district, has met with children in relief camps and also interacted with family members of victims of Ziribam killing. The team visited relief camps set up at Ziribam Higher Secondary School in Babupara and at Multi-Purpose Sports Complex. Speaking on the sideline, chairperson of MCPCR, Kaisham Pradeep Kumar, said the team is visiting Ziribam to inspect whether children have been given proper health facilities, education and protection in the relief camps. The team will be organizing 2 camp sittings at Conference Hall of Ziribam DC on December 17 and 18. The team will interact with civil society organizations, district-level officers and other relevant stakeholders to discuss about welfare of children during the ongoing conflict. The team will also take statements from family members of victims of Jakuradhor killing.
Ziribam da leiriba maroina displaced angang singi punsi mariandigi matang da koi jimba lakpani tarik 13 amadi 35 da camp sitting ani DCG office ki conference hall da koi pangtok sagani hariba camp sitting asidasu civil society sing district astel leiriba district level officers sing loina mak loisang pana makim using yauraga angang singna thengnariba awa ana sing matang da koi khana jagani loina na handakta yamna laibak thiba thokdokta laikhidraba nipi ahum amade angang ahungi matang da su victim ge family ge unaduna akupa waro na koi laujagani chigi team masina hariba camp sitting amdi visit sing asi athenga na chatuna relief camp sing da amade CCI su chatlaba matungda chapchaba maron sugaina yauraba paudam mama semgatlaga recommendation sing Manipur lengakta amadi mari leinaba agency sing da koi thamjagani masina tangdu leitaba phangdana leiba Manipur amadi angang sing Manipur gi angang sing amadi maroina Ziribam gi angang sing gi punsi marianda ahongba tang saphaba ma porakani haibagi thajabaga loina koi laksabani